Emeka. Odogu na nwe. Odogu na nwe.
Ebuka.
Odogu na nwe.
What's come we bataza uno?
Nah, I'm not going to travel again.
Ijezi uno?
No, I got to ijezi mo.
Ke meziri akwekwa m nige uno bata.
Na kan kole ne go yin kem.
Na. Aruba ke ije.
Na kwa my guy yo. Mekus. Not that I don't want to travel. Not that I don't want to go to the village. You want to go? But my father did not build any house. Oh, na village. He said, "Oh, we go na village. In the village, come on, about Chikobi, on na America. Guy, on my family na akale. I'm not no, debe. I'm making na travel. All friends. Ofuru mu nkenye ekenyem, ejisike kenyem no mu nnem no. Aba na debe na tisi na chijie. My uncle bego welia. So I calculate all those things. Na mbakoro bakazo se can just park ala nwe zuike. Ka ga me jeje bale ebe a village na leba we na won mo bela anya.
My brother, I know you're making a point. But let me tell you one thing you don't know. You may not know how much you are consuming on these green bottles on daily basis. Take for instance, I used to see you almost every day at NA UCHE shop. And you know it. You don't take one bottle, you don't take two, you take 5, 6, 7 bottles. I'm not talking about the health issues, oh no. I don't want to talk about your liver, your kidney, or whatever. I am talking about the money you are consuming with the Ngwangwa there, coupled with the one Nkechi used to collect from you. Every weekend, Nkechi will pay you a visit at your place. You will spend money giving Nkechi to go back to school. But you are here complaining that you don't have any place to lay your heads. I mean, in your village. See, let me tell you, if you can sit down well, put all these things on paper, calculate how much you are spending on weekly basis, you might be surprised to find out that you are spending more than 80 to 100,000 on weekly basis. Put it together. A trip of sand is 60,000 or 65. A bag of cement is 10,000. You can be molding 5 on weekly basis. Before you know it, you can be able to put things together and build, even if it's 2 rooms and parlor. Two rooms and parlor will be able to serve you, your wife and your kids. With time, you can expand.
I'm solving the same problem. My father does not build a house. So, I back a moano. Maneri in Bemfo. Bema Froze and Rom. So, Umaze, a Pidokwan Ebe Mua Kosera. Joe Quanka, no Kanamusi, Doa, Afunila, na Tata, Efo, were Namodo Vermia. Because no one before the Rai, do were more good. Coffee Quanko Mazem, Mpota, Bidonisi. Ebe nkara gafe bidokwa n'ebe fire stopper. Onwe ndị na-asị na fire erife fanwe na akpị ya ka edowere ụmụazị. Rie onwe nke m akụzigoro m ife mma na-erife nwe. Because na ịrapụrụ ofu ya onwere ife fa je ka ime ya.
Okwu gị nwekwara point, mana gekwa ntị ebe ịchọ ka ije n'ilu. Na a na-ekiri ịzaga. Abụkwa na ihe Izaga na-eme atọka. Ya na-ekiri bụ ka amarụ ma ọ ga-ada n'elu ebe ahụ. I am not trying to say that we are not trying. You are trying. You know, of course, he that wears the shoes knows where it pinches, right?
Yes.
Onye ya kpokwu ma ebe ọ na-afịa. Mana ọ dị mkpa na anyị were ara n'ebe anya na ara ka anyị mamụ ya ị ga-emenwu. Maka na ọ dịrọ mma na agbara nke mbụ otu n'ogbe, agba nke abụọ otu n'ogbe, ọsọ ogbe. Ihe ọbụla bụ ihe anyị na-eme bụ business. Let's double our hustle, legit one, and make sure we put up a structure, even if it's 2 rooms, in our father's land, so that the next Christmas, we'll take our children home, so that they will know their father's house. Mekus nga nabagodu otego nọ n'ụzọ. You have been on the road since morning. Let me go and take shower. I will come back. When I come back, we will see. Yeah, Papa, it's okay. It shall be well, eh?
Okay.
Chisike,
Okay.
double your hustle.
Okay.
It shall be well, Papa. God.
Okay.
Now, my brother, you say this guy is your friend. A very good friend, though. You have a very good friend, though. Eh? Nobody have advised me like this before. Nah, you only have a kweba bezoko. How many bottles came? Even 5 bottles more and 1 4. One year you only let me have for 1,000. Calculate to go to 1,000 times 5 or 5,000. And we go neketa and 4,000 naira or 9,000. Nah, this your friend because Igbo Mado. Nkechi has been in the house for how many days? Another 50,000 after everything you have spent on her. My brother, we need to wake up. You have a very good friend, and from today, no more.